Hello students, welcome back to EVS class. Our chapter from tasting to digesting. Today, what will happen if we eat too less or eat too much? Okay. In our chapter, one girl, Rashmi, she is 5 years old, but she looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly stomach like a balloon. She often falls sick. In this picture, you see one child has got a pot belly like Rashmi. Okay, and she always feel tired and cannot go to school regularly. She because she does not have the strength even to play. She is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. Okay, now look at this boy. He is Kailash. Kailash is 7 years old, but he looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. Kailash does not like to eat home cooked food like dal rice, vegetables, and roti. The only thing he finds tasty are chips, burger, pizzas, and soft drinks from the market. This is all our junk food. So children, you saw two different kinds of children. One child who has so skinny and who had pot belly, and she is used to get tired and she was not getting food, and other child, he was getting lot of food. He enjoyed only the junk food. Okay. So what do you get from the pictures? So the children, there are two examples. The first example, child is eat too less, and next example, child eat too much. But both condition have harmful to our body. Okay. First example is malnutrition, and this example, Kailash example, is related to overeating or obesity. Okay. Now discuss. What do you think? Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Do you think Kailash would like games and sports? You can give the answer. Okay. Rashmi is too poor to afford a proper meal. That is why she could eat only one roti in a day. Now next, what do you understand by proper food? Proper food, sufficient amount of food with all the nutrients in it for survival is called as proper food. And next question, why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? You write the answer. Okay. Next, what is a balanced diet? A balanced diet refers to one with the correct types and amounts of foods and drinks which will provide sufficient nutrients and energy to keep a person's body fit and healthy. Okay, this is balanced diet. Next, this is the balanced diet nutrients, carbohydrates, vitamin, mineral, protein, lipid. Okay, balanced diet. Okay, now next, why do we need to have a balanced diet? Our bodies need a balanced diet to ensure healthy growth and development. The nutrients that the body requires are carbohydrates, fats, dietary fiber, minerals, protein, water and vitamin. Unbalanced or improper nutrient consumption will result in a weak body. Okay. Benefits of balanced diet. Helps in weight control, prevents illness, keeps you energized, boosts immune system, supports heart health, provides all important nutrients. Clear? Think and discuss. Do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day. What are the reasons for this? Children living in slums or beggars on road do not get enough food to eat because they are very poor to buy food. Next question. Have you ever seen a godown where a lot of grain has been stored? Where? This is godown pigs. Okay. There are lot of grain stored. Okay. Next, what we have learnt. Why can you not taste food properly when you have cold? Because our sense of smell helps us to get complete taste of our food. When we have cold, our nose is blocked, which blocks the sense of smell. So we are unable to taste the food properly. Next question. If we were to say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this, right? So, yes, digestion starts from the mouth. Saliva helps to make food softy. After that, easily it can be swallowed. Okay. Then food goes into the stomach and their digestive juice present that can be mixed with food. Okay. After that, food digested. Undigested food is posed out of the body in the form of waste. So this is all about from tasting to digesting. I hope all of you learn it very well. Okay. Thank you.